Welcome back to I Can Do That DIY. I'm Eric Sorensen. In today's video, we're going to be fixing the auto up-down function for the power windows in my Nissan Murano. This should also work for most Nissan Infiniti models with the push button start. So let's get right to it. As you can see, the auto down feature works just perfect, but when I try to do the auto up feature, it does not work. I really think you're going to be surprised how easy of a fix this is. If you have issues with the other windows in the car, you can do all of this from the driver door. So the first step that we're going to do is we're going to turn the vehicle to on, pass accessory to on. Now that the car's on, let's make sure the window is all the way up. Now press the button down, and once it's down, you're going to hold the button for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now roll it up, and we're going to do the same thing. Count to 10 once it's all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's give it a shot. Down works great. And there's the auto up. Like I said, this is a simple fix. You don't have to remove the door panel or make adjustments to the motor or anything else like that. As I mentioned, all of this can be done right from the driver's side for any of the windows that have the auto up down feature. In my particular model, it's just the front two windows, but very simple fix. If you like this video, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on the notifications for any future DIY videos that I'll be working on. So I appreciate you joining me again today on I Can Do That DIY.